Good afternoon, everybody. Today is April 3rd. I just got a sale today for some bags of chips that I bought a little bit time ago. If y'all watching my videos, y'all would probably see that. But what's going out today is some Lay's hot sauce flavor that I picked up. Usually I would eat this, but I looked on eBay to see if they were sold on there, but I didn't see no sold comps or nothing. But I listened to them anyways because I felt they might sell. I mean, it's something I haven't seen, but they finally sold, so they're going out. So the way I'm going to package this, I really want to use one of them poly bags, the envelopes, but I don't want to risk for it to be crushed or whatever. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to do for this. So this is how I'm going to do this. There's your bags here. This is a box that I found that had my kids painting little accessories for school. So this is not really a need, so I'm going to take it. Bag, box, set it in there, as you can see. Nice, pretty decent, nice size. And I took another box that I found, opened this up, and what I'm going to do is just cut off all these flaps and place this on top. Tape it up, send it out. Let me get to do it. Probably scissors would be better. Now, just to keep the color of the box, I won't be using the white side. I just use this upside right on top. Now, let's go ahead. I don't know if you guys see this or not. Now I'm just add the tape. Looking good. Now what I'm gonna do is just cut off. You know what? I'll keep this on. I have to cut nothing off. Just tape this down. Just flip it. Tape it down. priority boxes or nothing. Still ship this off first class. I didn't have to waste no big giant box. That's it. So, if y'all like this, leave a comment. I mean, even matter of fact, leave a comment of your experience of boxes. Maybe I could get some more insight or create new other boxes. Because sometimes you may have to create, cut, do whatever just to create your own box. But that is it. I'm gonna get this sent out to the post office. Because my thing is, as long as the post office is open, I'm open. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this. Oh, I gotta. Dang, what I gotta? I gotta print the tag out, the label, slap this on, take it to the post office, and I'm done. Thank y'all for watching. Oh, stay tuned for more. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I guess I'll see y'all later. Peace. Here's the finished product. It's a lot of tape, but I don't care. A lot of you probably wondering like, oh, I got so much tape. Hey, I don't care. As long as it get there good, as long as the customer happy, doesn't matter. I'd have taped up boxes that had way more tape than this before. It gets to them. I don't care. As long as the customer ain't complaining, I ain't complaining. All right.